Hello and welcome to Undervisey. My name is Soham and in this quick video, we are going to talk about My Hero Academia chapter 295 because we have some major spoilers courtesy of Atsushi101x on Twitter. Please do give him a follow for more updated stuff. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. We're also trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. With that being said, let's begin the video. Now chapter 295 is titled Persistent, and this marks the starting of Deku vs Shigaraki round 2. Or I don't even remember if this is round 2 or round 3 or maybe more, but for the sake of this particular video and for the sake of this war arc in general, I'd rather say that this is Deku vs Shigaraki round 2. But anyway, Deku wakes up and his body is just battered and tattered. This guy is genuinely at his limits and he's just trying to move his body as much as he can, and this is just his willpower at this moment, and his body has literally given up. But still, Deku suddenly wakes up and his head hurts because he's sensing something. And then Deku realizes the fact that this is actually the quirk of the fourth one for all user, that is danger detection. Now this gave me a chuckle because this really reminded me of Spider-Man. Previously we had the black webs and now danger detection, which is basically the My Hero Academia equivalent of the Spidey sense. We all know that Horikoshi is a very big fan of American comics, but this is just a little too iffy in my opinion. But anyway, this is fine. This is not something too huge or too big of a deal, but this is still nice in my opinion, and it's not even a very big quirk or something, but still in the grand scheme of things, I'm pretty sure that Deku will utilize this in a very good manner. But then Shigaraki wakes up and that starts the rematch of Deku vs Shigaraki. There's a lot of stuff that happen here, and I really don't want to get into the nitty-gritty of the stuff because I do not have the full translations for the entire chapter, and I don't want to make any false claims so that you guys do not get confused or anything. But this chapter does contain a lot of different stuff, and by lot I really mean a lot. Because on one hand there is Spinner who is taking Shigaraki to the doctor, and on the other hand Mirio is actually facing off against Mr. Compress. Now again, I do not have the translations for all of these, so I do not want to give my thoughts or interpretations on this as of yet, but this looks definitely really amazing. But at the end of the things, we see that Shigaraki finally wakes up and then starts the rematch between Deku and Shigaraki. There's a lot of stuff that happens here, and Shigaraki literally blows away Deku. It also seems like Shigaraki actually calls forth all the Nomos that were fighting with the heroes previously, and there are also some very creepy looking scenes where the hands of Spinner are actually in front of Shigaraki's mouth. Again, I really cannot say what exactly is going on here, and in one particular panel it actually felt as if I'm looking at the face of All for One. Yeah, that doesn't make a lot of sense, but it genuinely felt like One for All. But at the end, Shigaraki attacks Deku and Deku is literally thrown off at a long distance, and this boy's body is not able to take any more. He is definitely at his limits and he is genuinely fighting with his mere willpower at this moment. We also get to see the other heroes who are down because of the effects of Shigaraki powering up. We see Bakugo, we see Endeavor and the other heroes, and it's just a whole chaos. And moreover, I think the war is finally coming to an end because at the very end of this particular chapter we see that Shigaraki and the others are retreating after he has blown away Deku. But these are the major spoilers that we have currently for My Hero Academia chapter 295. What do you guys think about all of this? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. I am genuinely waiting for the official chapter to hit because I'm actually not able to understand a lot of things that is going on here, and I need the translations in order to have a better understanding of all of this. But this is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Undervisey and I'll see you soon on the next one.